Hi, I'm Charline. Welcome to Sennder, France. We are about 110 people working here and hopefully a few more if you decide to join us. Come on, let's have a look around.
I would say that in general, Sennder takes care of its employee and we are really lucky to work in that kind of environment. We just got our offices renovated. It's great, it's really modern. We are so happy about it.
What I really enjoy about that office is the fact that we are really in central Paris, so it's quite easy to move into different places. Also, what's really enjoyable and fun is the fact that the office is really a nice place, a comfortable place.
What I like most at Sennder, it's the atmosphere. It's relaxed and at the same time very business-oriented. This is a multicultural spirit.
What makes special to work at Sennder France is that we have a good mix between tech people, international tech people in Paris, and as well a strong industry knowledge. This good mix brings fresh air on this industry.
Talking about work culture at Sennder, what I really think is crucial to the work culture is people. So I think that makes one of the best parts of the culture at Sennder, the learning part, and working together as a team, as a single family, right?
Also the fact that this is really a dynamic place. People are fun, people are enjoying to work for Sennder, so that's what I really love about it.
We insist a lot on the diversity because everyone brings something new and helps the company to grow.